While designs are constantly being developed, radically upgraded versions of several key fighters will soon enter service. Since the first flight of the prototype in 1995, Japan's Air Self-Defense Force is now evaluating the operation of the Mitsubishi F support fighter. The F-16C was the starting point for the design of this fighter, but the Japanese have made new strides in its development. Compared to a standard Block 50 F-16, it features a high-tech wing, an integrated EW system, and active phased array radar amongst its important changes, all developed in Japan. The wing is 25% bigger and has a co-cured all-composite construction. But these changes come at a high price. One F-2 costs at least the same as 4 Block 50